In October 1918, nearly 200 American soldiers were trapped behind enemy lines. Their own allies were bombarding them by mistake. The runner was dead. The phone lines were cut. Their only hope for survival lies in the hands or in the wings of an unlikely hero, Cher Ami, dear friend. Now this little pigeon showed everyone the power of fighting spirit. Shot, blinded in one eye, his leg nearly severed, he still flew 25 miles under 25 minutes to send a message. When they received a message that was carried by Cher Ami, they managed to stop the bombardment, and nearly 200 soldiers managed to return safely to their families. Cher Ami was eventually treated by medics and survived. And of course, treated, rightly so, as a hero. Now, whenever you feel like you're too small to contribute, you're too weak to make an impact on someone's life, come back to this video. Better yet, save this video and watch it daily to remind yourself that size does not matter in terms of physical size, but the size of your heart matters. Cher Ami is a prime example of what you can do and how much of an impact you can make when you put your heart and soul into something. Take a look at the animated video. Just a word of warning, it shows the real injuries that Cher Ami suffered, including the gunshot wound, bleeding in one of his legs. So be warned, if you are a bit squeamish, just be mindful of the video. It's for historical, educational purpose and really to give you that push and to motivate you in times where you feel you are too small to make an impact. You are not. You are definitely more than good enough. Stay strong, and I'll see you next time.
1918. 194 American soldiers were trapped behind enemy lines. One pigeon left, Cher Ami. Their only hope to call for help. Shot through the chest, blinded in one eye. She kept flying. 25 minutes. 25 miles. That message saved every single soldier. She got the French Medal of Honor. What animal would you trust with your life?